To add folders to favorites on a Mac, start by opening the Finder application. The Finder is the default file manager on Macs and is usually located on the dock. Once the Finder is open, navigate to the folder you want to add to your favorites. This can be a folder on your desktop, in your documents, or anywhere else on your Mac. When you have located the folder, click and hold on the folder icon. Then drag it to the Favorites section in the sidebar of the Finder window. The Favorites section is located at the top of the sidebar and may already contain some default favorites such as your desktop, documents, and downloads. As you drag the folder to the Favorites section, you will see a line appear above or below the existing favorites. This line indicates where the folder will be placed when you release the mouse button. Release the mouse button when the line is in the desired position, and the folder will be added to your favorites. Alternatively, you can also add a folder to your favorites by right-clicking on the folder and selecting Add to Favorites, or by using the keyboard shortcut Command plus Control plus T. Adding folders to your favorites can help you quickly access your most used files and folders, increasing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. You can also rearrange the order of your favorites by dragging and dropping them to the desired position. To remove a folder from your favorites, simply drag it out of the Favorites section and release the mouse button. The folder will be removed from your favorites but will still exist in its original location on your Mac. By following these steps, you can easily add and manage folders in your favorites on a Mac, making it easier to access and manage your files and folders.